To begin, I've recently added 2 clips to my timeline, but they don't fit within the frame properly. Adjusting the scaling and positioning manually becomes cumbersome when dealing with numerous clips. Let's revert the changes and explore a new method for resizing. Just right-click on the clip and select Scale to Frame Size or Set to Frame Size. Voila! The clip will now be automatically resized, saving us from additional manual adjustments. If you want to resize multiple clips simultaneously, simply highlight the clips and right-click on the selected clips on the timeline. Then click on Set to Frame. This way, it will be applied to all of them uniformly. This new approach worked seamlessly, eliminating the need for extra effort. That concludes my demonstration. As always, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.